Hi guys.
Ay,
Oh, masasag malapit makitang-kita ka oh.
Oy.
Oh, may lapit. Hindi may pwede pala.
So guys, parang may nakita ko mga mga Amerikano.
Oh.
Amerikano.
Pwede mo ito mga kasama namin guys. Yan sila guys, ang mga kasama namin guys. Oh, yan. Ikot tayo guys. Ganyan mag-vlog. Tama na guys. Sabihin mo, tama na guys. Tama na guys.
Tama na.
Tama na.
Yes.
Again. Ay,
Saan yung bag ko?
ano kay Papa yung bag mo?
Hawakan mo lang yan. Doon yan sa loob.
Oh.
Kunin lang. Handa, mamaya pa.
Mamaya na. Sam. This is your first plane ride. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
Malamig na.
Hi. Come on. Lingon dito, lingon. Lingon, the two of you. Hi. Sam. Wait lang, Lois. Go pa doon sa... Kita mo si nanay.
Ano upuan ko, ma?
Oo. Kan si Sam. Okay. Hi Sam. Saan tayo papunta? Saan? Ano yan? Anong tawag dyan?
Baka na, disihan pa.
Para kasi ang gold. Ha? Pagod. Hindi. Sabi ko niya. Naglag kita. Sabi ko sa kanya. Naglag kita. Ayaw ko.
Apat. Yay! Hi Ate! Hi Papa! Hi Ading!
Ang video Manila.
Usa! Hawakan mo!
Ano ko siya lumalakas pagka kasi kumain ng popcorn.
Saan dyan ako kay
Yan, BBB. Para sa inyo,
Ay, sa Master Chief to galing. Nakita ko. Bestseller yan?
Yung hot and sour soup yung sabaw na. So yung mga
Oh, they look amazed.
Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer Bird and I would like to meet my friends. Together with the trainers, one of a time. On your left side is the eldest female. Champion, now let's go! Yeehaw! Round of applause for the line friends and the trainers as well for the great dance number. It's We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your new song friends, the South American Sea Lions, Isis and Ira. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive a rush-built environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You will learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are stewards of our planet and thus, each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of ICs and Trainer Derek, Iowa and Trainer Vina, all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our sea lion friends. Bye! And again, thank you for watching. By the way, guys.
Ito na. Okay.
wag wala na. Yan magpasok tayo.
Sige po, pasok po. Next time na po, hindi makasakay. Warning pa, sir.
Oh, sige. Saan sila? Ay, video pala. Oh, sige, insert mo. Sophie. Sit down muna doon. Pag nag-brown na.
Brown na yan.
Opo.